Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Where did you live?
I lived in New York City.
Where will you live?
I will live in New York City.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher.
What did you do for a living?
I worked as a teacher.
What will you do for a living?
I will work as a teacher.
How do you travel to work?
I drive to work.
How did you travel to work?
I drove to work.
How will you travel to work?
I will drive to work.
Why do you like reading?
I like reading because it helps me relax.
Why did you like reading?
I liked reading because it helped me relax.
Why will you like reading?
I will like reading because it will help me relax.
Who do you usually hang out with?
I usually hang out with my friends.
Who did you usually hang out with?
I usually hung out with my friends.
Who will you usually hang out with?
I will usually hang out with my friends.
When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
When did you usually go to bed?
I usually went to bed around 10 p.m.
When will you usually go to bed?
I will usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
How often did you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
How often will you exercise?
I will exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to various genres of music.
What kind of music did you listen to?
I listen to various genres of music.
What kind of music will you listen to?
I will listen to various genres of music.
How much time do you spend on social media?
I spend about an hour on social media every day.
How much time did you spend on social media?
I spend about an hour on social media every day.
How much time will you spend on social media?
I will spend about an hour on social media every day.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What languages did you speak?
I spoke English and Spanish.
What languages will you speak?
I will speak English and Spanish.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook at home almost every day.
How often did you cook at home?
I cooked at home almost every day.
How often will you cook at home?
I will cook at home almost every day.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What time did you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually woke up at 7 a.m.
What time will you usually wake up in the morning?
I will usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Why do you enjoy hiking?
I enjoy hiking because it allows me to connect with nature.
Why did you enjoy hiking?
I enjoyed hiking because it allowed me to connect with nature.
Why will you enjoy hiking?
I will enjoy hiking because it will allow me to connect with nature.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends relaxing at home or going out with friends.
How did you spend your weekends?
I usually spent my weekends relaxing at home or going out with friends.
How will you spend your weekends?
I will usually spend my weekends relaxing at home or going out with friends.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books and watching movies.
What did you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoyed reading books and watching movies.
What will you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I will enjoy reading books and watching movies.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit my family once a month.
How often did you visit your family?
I visited my family once a month.
How often will you visit your family?
I will visit my family once a month.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal or toast for breakfast.
What did you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually ate cereal or toast for breakfast.
What will you usually eat for breakfast?
I will usually eat cereal or toast for breakfast.
Where do you usually go for vacation?
I usually go to the beach for vacation.
Where did you usually go for vacation?
I usually went to the beach for vacation.
Where will you usually go for vacation?
I will usually go to the beach for vacation.
How do you like to relax after a long day?
I like to relax by taking a hot bath and reading a book.
How did you like to relax after a long day?
I like to relax by taking a hot bath and reading a book.
How will you like to relax after a long day?
I will like to relax by taking a hot bath and reading a book.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Who was your best friend?
My best friend was Sarah.
Who will be your best friend?
My best friend will be Sarah.
What kind of movies do you enjoy watching?
I enjoy watching comedies and thrillers.
What kind of movies did you enjoy watching?
I enjoyed watching comedies and thrillers.
What kind of movies will you enjoy watching?
I will enjoy watching comedies and thrillers.
How do you like to spend your evenings?
I like to spend my evenings relaxing at home or going for a walk.
How did you like to spend your evenings?
I like to spend my evenings relaxing at home or going for a walk.
How will you like to spend your evenings?
I will like to spend my evenings relaxing at home or going for a walk.
What hobbies do you have?
I enjoy painting and playing the guitar.
What hobbies did you have?
I enjoyed painting and playing the guitar.
What hobbies will you have?
I will enjoy painting and playing the guitar.
How do you keep fit?
I keep fit by going to the gym regularly and eating healthy.
How did you keep fit?
I kept fit by going to the gym regularly and eating healthy.
How will you keep fit?
I will keep fit by going to the gym regularly and eating healthy.
What do you usually drink in the morning?
I usually drink coffee or tea in the morning.
What did you usually drink in the morning?
I usually drank coffee or tea in the morning.
What will you usually drink in the morning?
I will usually drink coffee or tea in the morning.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is J.K. Rowling.
Who was your favorite author?
My favorite author was J.K. Rowling.
Who will be your favorite author?
My favorite author will be J.K. Rowling.
What sports do you enjoy playing?
I enjoy playing soccer and tennis.
What sports did you enjoy playing?
I enjoyed playing soccer and tennis.
What sports will you enjoy playing?
I will enjoy playing soccer and tennis.
Where do you usually go for a walk?
I usually go for a walk in the park near my house.
Where did you usually go for a walk?
I usually went for a walk in the park near my house.
Where will you usually go for a walk?
I will usually go for a walk in the park near my house.